How to create an open house party application. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can open and create house party application. Okay, so guys, if you are interested in house party, then guys you can use this application for it. Okay, you can use this third party application for many applications. So in the coming videos, okay, I'll tell you how you can connect some applications with your house party. So if you want to know, okay, how you have to connect all the applications in house party, then watch the video. Okay, keep watching the video and just subscribe our channel to get all the latest updates. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's turn on house party application. So let's begin. Okay, so now you have to turn on, and after that guys, as you can see, okay, you have to go for the sign up option. So talk to your friends. Now click on the sign up, and then first you have to give your Gmail address. Okay, like this, give your Gmail address and then give your full name. So we'll give my full name here. Okay, username will be this one, RGE and X. RGE. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, now you have to click your password here. So guys, I would like to hide my password. So after entering your password, you have to give your birth date. Okay, you have to give your birth date. So we'll have to select our birth date. So click here. First you have to select your year. Okay, so here you have to select, click. Okay, not this one. So we have to go here. Okay, we'll have to go back on January 1998. Want, click OK. So it's done. Okay, so it's my accurate birth date, and now click on the next option. So here you can see, now you have to give your phone number. Okay, so give your phone number 7085 and now you have to click on the send SMS. Okay, so you have to click on the send SMS. Let's do it. So guys, let's wait for the message. Okay, so we'll send you a SMS verification, so we have to wait here. So guys, you just have to skip it. Okay, don't wait for the message, because I don't think they will send message. So now you have to click on next. Okay, skip and click on the next, and then guys, keep on allowed. Okay, you have to allow some like you have to allow some permissions. So connect to Facebook, or you can directly connect your Facebook here. Okay, but guys, let's skip it. So add your friends. Now again I'll skip. Okay, so camera and mic, you have to allow it, and then guys, click on the next. After that guys, we are all set. Okay, so our account has been created, so you can invite your friends on your house party, and this is my username. Okay, so next time whenever you see my video on house party topic, you can see my this username. Okay, that's it. So guys, this is how you have to create an open house party applications account. Okay, so guys, if you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.